were supposed to be the opposite sex for a day, what would you do? So I deleted the app. When I went back for a second,
I can't hear anything right now.
You already heard. Acting like you don't already heard. You already heard.
Well, I heard the question, but I didn't hear anything else.
For real though. If you were supposed to be the opposite sex for a day,
Supposed to be or wanna be?
if you were the opposite sex for a day,
Right.
what would you do?
What would I do?
Yep. You don't know.
I never thought about it.
Well, think about it now.
What? That's a question you don't just answer right off the top of your head.
I mean, you're a smart guy. You've thought about this before.
Well, I definitely wouldn't sleep with any guys.
If you were supposed to be the opposite sex for a day, you wouldn't sleep with a guy?
But I don't want to dream about sleeping with another guy or think about sleeping with another guy.
Ah!
Hell no.
What? Not as a girl?
Nope.
No?
Nope. Because if you think about it, if you were potentially, then no. Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
I don't mind, because every other row is kind of bowed out, so.
So you, man, you gotta give me a better answer. You gotta give me a better answer. You don't want to think about. You don't want to think about uh, the act of being the opposite sex for a day because you don't want to dream about sleeping with another guy. Okay, understood. But oh my God. Behind you. So you gave me no answer.
Nope.
And that's it?
Yep. Not something I'd ever want to think about.
But you're a girl.
Nope.
So if you were a girl, what would you want to do?
If I wasn't me, I'd want to be a dog.
If you were a girl, what would you want to do? If you were a girl for a day, what would you want to do?
Go shopping?
Okay.
But I can do that as a guy.
Yeah, but you're not doing it enough.
You want to bet?
You know what? Let me take that back. Let me. Let me take that back because I don't know you that much. I'm going to take it back under this condition that I don't know you that much. So, I mean, I know you're rich, but like, but then anything else, not really, you know. Is this good for you or you want me to flip it? Because it looks like you got a more curvy. No, well, not really. Okay, well, this conversation is over because the only thing Pete want to do if he was a girl is to go shopping.
See how fast that's going right now?
Huh?
Watch how fast that spins.
I've seen it.
Now watch. Try to spin quicker.
Angle. So I also noticed like the pressure will reduce if the angle is a certain way, the pressure will reduce, and if you slightly angle it back, it will go faster again.
Some cases.
Yeah, that's what I've noticed. So is this good for you, or I pushed it back?
Let's flip it.
That's what I thought you might want to do too. That seems more like what you want when you do the last push.
Yeah.
Okay. We got hose.
Down there.
Huh?
Got a hole right there.
Yeah, that's what I said. We got hose.
Yeah, but your screws are down there. Those are the shorties.
Shorties?